We're out here today at Extreme Excavating Southwest Sector Project. Today we're going to witness our Certa-Lok RJIB go through a crossing underneath the Trans-Canada Highway.
The Southwest Sewer project couldn't have gone better with the partnership of Westlake Pipe and Fittings. Their customer service was just excellent in coordinating trucks.
As a project manager with Extreme Excavating, my role is to procure materials, find better solutions and efficiencies for projects. Certa-Lok with Westlake Pipe and Fittings was presented to us as a time-saving opportunity and a better technology than what was prescribed in the design. So we took this product and we submitted it as an approved alternate, and happily the municipality of the City of Kamloops did approve this product to use.
RJIB piping has been amazing to work with. The ease of installation for this project is second to none.
Westlake Pipe and Fittings came into our office and they provided an example to show us on how easily this pipe is put together. It's like a standard PVC C900 pipe that you push together. The standout point is the restraining spline that goes through. Their support team showed us exactly how it's done, quick and easy, and that's why we chose to go with Certa-Lok. The Certa-Lok RJIB pipe has allowed us to reduce the amount of time it takes to push through and get our pipe across the highway. Yeah, as you can see, our production is going quite quickly, and efficiencies in the field are what we like to see.
I would highly recommend RJIB moving forward for any projects in the Western Canada here. For any road crossing water main projects, it's an excellent product for ease of installation, if nothing else.